Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck with failed brakes skidded into the snow and collided with the vehicle in front, causing damage. The truck lost control and veered into a ditch at the roadside, causing it to get stuck. This video includes terrible truck accidents and aims to educate viewers about safe driving practices. Let's get it on. Oh, it seems he got distracted by something. Please pay attention, everyone. Please be mindful of the distance, especially in snowy weather like this. Always stay focused on the road as well. Do not take your mind off the road ahead. Check weather and road condition updates before your journey. Be aware of any advisories or warnings. Hope they are fine. Regularly practice brake maintenance. That's the best way to protect your life and others. A video reveals a different perspective. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Please keep a safe distance from large trucks like this. They have blind spots. It's time to revoke their license. Stay safe out there, folks. What is going on? Glad everyone is safe. Oh, it seems he took the turn too wide. Please be cautious, everyone. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. The inertia has already occurred and the tail has drifted. The key point is that the brakes should not be applied. Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law? Everyone, please adjust your driving appropriately. Oh my God, no accident occurred for both. What is he thinking? Looks like he was drunk. Do not imitate this. Please check behind you before changing lanes. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. What is going on? Thankfully, the driver's safe. Oh, is he okay? Fortunately, the vehicle didn't overturn. Please tie it securely before you go. Luckily, no one was behind. This was totally unexpected incident. Thankfully, both were fine. Please be careful when driving on snow-covered roads. They are very slippery. Oh my, stay safe out there, folks. Oh dear, the truck's brakes appear to be faulty. In this case, I would slow down, although I have the right of way. These types of people frighten us to be on the road with them. More surely, trouble should happen to these distracted drivers. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys.